We are live. Yes. So, hello everybody. Welcome to an academy. Welcome to the Creatics channels. How are you guys? I hope most of you have succeeded in the GATE exam. So, I am here with the topper in the GATE exam, GATE 2021 Electrical Engineering, Air 46 rank. That is Adarsh. That is our student from an academy. So, he want to share his experience with you guys. So, let's start the session. I'm just waiting for you people. If you join, I can start the session. So let me wait for your joining. If you have any kind of queries regarding the preparation, whatever you feel, you can ask him now. So he can help with his all experience you can have. He is the success model available for you. So okay, people joined. Okay. Okay. Very good evening. Late good evening. Okay. So everybody. So Adesh, please introduce yourself to our students, to your friends, juniors.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hello, sir. I am from Telangana.
Okay.
So basically, I am a 2019 pass out from VNIT Nagpur.
Okay.
So actually, my BTech percentage is not that good. Like it's very average, 7.25. But
Okay.
I could clear gate only because of basics given by our academy team,
Okay.
and especially Ankit sir. Ankit sir has supported a lot.
Okay.
His lectures are really very good.
Okay.
So what I want to say is the competition is growing now.
Hmm.
So even with 0.33 marks, the rank is going behind by 10 or 20.
Yeah.
So I would like to suggest my juniors that be prepared for toughest competition. Even if the paper is tough, people are scoring now.
Yeah.
So you
Okay.
have to be ready for everything.
Yeah. So, see, Adarsh is saying two things which are very important for you guys. So one thing is his CGPA is not very high. Okay. But whatever the basics he built, that is what made him what he is right now. And one more thing he is saying is today, because of this competition, even the paper is tough. This is important point. Earlier days, it is like that. If paper is tough, nobody is able to score. So even you get some average marks, it is okay. But these days, because of the growing competition or whatever maybe the exposure getting to the students, so even the paper is tough. Now you need to score high. Okay, Adarsh, how many marks you scored?
I scored 78 marks.
78.
And my grade score 78 marks. My score is 890. But are you getting any distance?
It's not audible, Adarsh.
Hello?
Just
Hello? Am I audible, sir?
yeah, audible. Little louder. You got
Yeah.
78 marks,
My
right?
marks is 78.
Ah,
78 marks and the gate score is 891.
okay, fine. So he got around 78 marks, 7 and 8 marks he got it. So any queries you want to ask, you can ask guys. Just wait for some time, just 5 10 minutes. So Adarsh, I want to ask you ahead about that. You are in a good job in a L&T construction side. I think you got
Yes.
a campus placement during your college, but you left the job and
Yes.
prepared the gate.
Yes.
So, do you think it is worth to prepare the GATE exam after getting a job in a good MNC, leaving that and preparing for the GATE exam? Because the opportunities are, people are saying that opportunities are less, competition is heavy.
Yes. Yes.
What's your stand on that?
Sir, actually, first point is as an average guy, I could score more. See,
Hmm.
my CGPA is average, but I have scored a lot. This is only because of hard work. So even if you are not talented, also, if you do a lot of hard work, then you can be successful. And coming to the leaving of MNC, so I feel that if I invested that time in gate preparation, so the result will be much better. So don't worry, you can definitely take the risk, but after taking the risk, you have to work hard to be at a top position also. Not like I left L&T and just chill at home. So I could have done that, but I didn't choose that option. So ultimately, you have to have some fear and the ability to take risks.
So, well, right. So, what's your first choice right now? You are aiming for PSU or MTech in IISc or somewhere you are planning. What's your next
Yeah,
step?
I'm planning for PSUs only, first one,
Okay.
and if possible, VLSA at IITs, old IITs.
Okay, and I think you can try for the data science also in IISc if you are interested. I can suggest that also because last
Yes,
year
sir, yes.
some electrical guys got this with whatever the rank you are having, you can expect. And I can ask you one more thing. I hope you are selected for the steel plant also, Vizag steel plant interview also. You are through with the written test, right? So,
Yes, sir.
can you say that,
Yes,
or
yes.
whatever you prepared for the gate exam, it helped you in these exams, or you need extra efforts or something different?
Yeah, yeah. This point also I would like to tell, sir. Actually, when you are preparing for, when you are taking a drop, especially for droppers, I am telling. So whenever you are preparing for gate by taking a drop,
Hmm.
never only prepare for gate. Be
Okay.
ready for like always prepare non-technical also side by side. Like in every nowadays, most of the PSs are shifting towards separate exams.
Hmm.
So in separate exams, definitely this GS portion will be there. So definitely don't give your complete day to gate only. Just
Okay.
prepare for these non-tech also. That will be very useful
Okay.
to
So,
manage
guys.
your time properly.
Okay, so guys who are dropouts mainly, you can keep some time for non-tech part also. That is in your preparation.
Yes.
Suppose you are doing some X, that is some 10 hours of your preparation. In that, suppose you make 7 or 8 hours to the technical part, it is fairly good. But at least the remaining 2 hours, 3 hours of your preparation, you should keep for the non-technical part also. In that case, not only in the gate exam, you there are more chances to be success in the other exams also. So some of our students are asking where you practice the questions. What are the sources of
Okay.
your practicing the questions?
Actually,
Um, have you confined to
yes, it
the
is.
previous
Actually,
year
as
based
I have
questions?
taken,
Uh,
actually, I have enrolled to Plus subscription. So
okay.
mostly DPPs I have practiced and classroom questions.
Hmm.
And furthermore, what I did is I took some test series,
Okay.
example testbook.com,
Okay. Fine.
and yeah, some other medicine.
Sure. Sure.
So what I would like to do is practice some chapter wise tests also. Don't prepare for a full length test only.
Hmm.
Practice chapter wise and subject wise also. Those
Okay.
are very important.
Okay, fine. So what Adarsh is saying, he is already subscribed to Plus. I think in the June only he started the preparation. He joined Plus subscription.
Yes.
In Plus, as we give DPP for every single subject. Okay, he has followed all our. I think you have followed our creative stream classes only, right? Most of the cases
Yes, sir.
for all the
Yes.
subjects.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So he has followed all our creatives team, me, Ankit sir, Vishal sir, all our total team classes he has followed. And we in the class of the plus we generally provide the DPP daily practice for the every single chapter and previous year questions. Yes, I suggest you beyond this you don't require much. You do the classroom questions, previous year's questions of GATE and ESC, and I think that is more than sufficient for you guys. So any other questions you want to ask, guys, you can ask others.
Yes.
He will help you. Okay, we can make one more session in the future because this is I think he is very happy with all his rank. And first of all, everybody in the comment section, you can congratulate your senior or your friend who achieved this. So firstly, I want to congratulate. I am very happy for seeing your result, Adarsh. And I want to see you further also
Thank you, sir.
in next and next levels. Okay. So, guys,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
yeah, sure. Any other question you want to ask? So, generally, people are asking in every single subject how much time it requires. So, I think it depends on individual to individual. What is your opinion?
Yes, actually, same for subjects also. Don't prepare only one subject at a time.
Hmm.
Like if you catch hold of one subject, after 3 months, definitely you'll forget.
Okay.
So what you do is what you need is number of revisions,
Hmm.
not how much time or how many hours you are spending. The revision is very important. So
Okay.
complete the syllabus as soon as possible with the great detail first time only, so that revision will be easy.
Okay. Fine. Very good.
So
So
revision time should be more.
yes. So guys, so two suggestions he is giving
So by
you.
October you try to complete and
Yeah. So
yeah,
that's the ideal time. Generally, everybody will say
by
the same thing. Yeah. Sure.
yes,
So one thing is he want to suggest you prepare multiple subjects at a time, not a single subject, according to your comfort. And the second thing is revision. You should give high priority by October, and somehow if you start your preparation now, it is possible. Complete your syllabus and keep the time for your whatever you want to do for the revision and tests, whatever you want to give, everything for the practice. Okay. So any other questions, guys?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Sure.
One more thing is generally for students like me, who are average in CGPA,
Hmm.
what is the problem is we don't lack in concepts. We lack in silly mistakes. We
Okay.
do a lot of silly mistakes. So I too did a lot of silly mistakes in the starting stage of writing test series.
Okay.
So don't hesitate to write test series. First of
Okay.
all, the result won't matter.
Hmm.
Uh, only see if you fool yourself, then you are the biggest fool.
Hmm.
So be honest to yourself, and even the mistakes happen, don't worry.
Okay.
Just keep on practicing. That's it.
Sure. So what he want to say is, don't fool
Yes,
yourself. You can fool others. It doesn't mean that, but you don't fool yourself. Don't you just have that you will be having some reluctance to start the exams because your preparation is not completed. Don't do that. Once or you may be worrying about you may be end up with a less number of marks. Okay, so don't worry. You write the exams, keep on writing, and just concentrate on improvement because silly mistakes it plays very great role in your gate exam. So and one more thing, he is
yes,
saying himself as average, but I don't think average student topper like that. Everything 90% of the results purely depends on hard work only. That is what what made him right now what he is. Okay, so I feel that you don't
yes,
worry about whether you are average student 60% you are having or whatever maybe doesn't matter. All you need is a great hard work with
yes,
dedication with proper planning, right? So anything
yes,
you
yes.
want to share others, anything else, how you feel about an academy plus subscription? Okay, the content you got it from the academy plus subscription from our total team. And one more thing I want to ask, I hope you don't know Hindi, right?
Hmm.
Are you
Hindi.
studying Hindi or English?
Slightly.
Okay, your classes
No,
you
no, no.
taught English.
I can understand. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but you don't
Yes, sir. Mainly
yeah,
South Indians will feel difficulty in Hindi classes.
yeah.
South Indians will feel difficulty in Hindi classes, but
Hmm.
you can Unacademy is providing in both languages, right? English and Hindi.
Sure.
But make sure that you use both the languages, because if you
Hmm.
follow only one language, your syllabus won't be completed.
Exactly.
For revision, it will be very less time. So
Okay.
what I suggest is follow both the languages. So
Hmm.
if multiple subjects can be completed.
Yes, yes. Even the student who don't know Hindi also may not face some difficulty because right now, because
Yes,
when you
yes,
joined, that is the last year. Now it is you have that recorded also
yes,
available
sir.
and live will also be there. They can complete early also. Okay.
Yes,
Anything else, guys?
yes, yes.
How many years you took after the BTech? That is the question from Sharath to you. When I think he is asking you
Yeah,
about your pass out of which particular year in the BTech.
I'm a pass out of 2019 from VNIT Nagpur, sir.
Okay, he did his
So
BTech from Double E in
yes, yes,
2019. Okay, then he joined in
yeah.
L&T, I think,
So
right?
yeah, then I joined in L&T construction through
Hmm.
campus placement. Then I left the job for gate preparation. So this is my second serious attempt.
Okay, when you
I
left
can
the
say.
job,
Around April, sir. April 2020.
April
I
2020, and in June you joined Tech,
yes around
right?
yes
Okay,
yes.
fine.
Hmm.
So at a time, how many subjects you can start? Mehul, I suggest you. He also suggested two subjects or maximum three if you are a dropper. If you are not a dropper, two is the limit, I can say. Okay, then we can end the session, guys. We have one more session. I will bring one more topper of Air 63. So this series will continue together today, tomorrow, and whatever, however, whoever our students we find, because it's a very big platform. So when the student messages us, then immediately we'll bring to the YouTube, because we want to share his experience so that you will learn from his experience and you will enhance your preparation. So thank you very much, others, for sharing your time, and I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. I hope you will be in ISC. I hope, okay, maybe you are inclined towards PSU. You should achieve both of them, then you should be having a choice to select whichever is best for you. So I want to see you in
Yes, sir.
the best possible position in the future. So keep helping
Thank
our
you, sir.
students
Thank you so
whenever
much.
they are required. I will call you again and again. Okay, keep
Yeah,
helping our
sure.
student community. Thank you very much. So thank you very much,
Okay.
guys. I will be back
Thank you,
in
sir.
5 minutes with one more topper interview, guys. Just stay tuned. One more link is going to start. I just wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Thank you, Adarsh.
Thank you, sir.